Hey y'all, and welcome to the video. Today I am finally doing my eyeshadow look with the Morphe X MannyMUA palette. Here's just an overview and I'm going to be giving you some thoughts. So here we have all the products that I'm going to be using in this video. We have the Duo Eyelash Adhesive, the Zoeva Matte Eyeshadow Primer, this eyeliner from Real Her, this eyeliner from Tarte, and then my favorite lashes ever, these are D-Star lashes, and this is in the style Page. And then the last one is the Benefit Mascara. It's the They're Real. So here we go. Let's start off by using the shade Dust Cloud, and I'm just going to put this in my crease. Now this is a lovely transition shade, like a crease shade, or even like setting your primer an all over shade. Here is Sophie. This one is a really pretty shade too for transitions. I just wanted to kind of have it light and put this, what is it, more darker light shade in the crease. But yeah, I'm just dusting that all in the crease. Next up, Boy Next Door. This is another shade that's so pretty. All the light shades in this palette work so well. And this is actually the second time I'm reviewing it, and almost everything performed the exact same. So definitely listen to what I have to say. Now, Fire Witch gave me trouble the first time I reviewed this palette, but this time it didn't actually give me the same issue. The first time I reviewed it was a whole different palette. This is a new one, but at first it did not want to whatsoever blend, and then it finally started to like work with me, so it actually went well the entire time using this shade, so I was really happy about that. Now, Spellbound, the first time I used it, it was garbage. It was patchy. It would not blend, and I did wind up having the same trouble with this one. So as you can see, it definitely does have some patchiness, and it doesn't want to blend into the other shades. Sorry, I kind of like went out of camera there, but you can see that this shade just doesn't play well with others. So if you do use this shade, be aware of that. Pretty much, I just kept trying and trying to fix the shade, as you can see, and I wasn't having it. It just, I was just like, come on. But it's the shade, it's not me, promise. So I'm just trying to blend it the best I can. So I thought I would use Howl to kind of try and darken up the crease, and we didn't have a very good time with this. It kind of looked muddy and it didn't blend. It just sat on top and it looked really bad. Like you can see, like that doesn't look good. Like it didn't blend whatsoever. It just looked like a hot dumpster fire. Like I just like something pooped on my eye. That's what it looks like, and then I smeared it around. So I tried to blend it. It still looked terrible. And might I add, this whole video was 40 minutes long and I edited it down to 8 minutes. So I blended for a very long time, let me tell you. I think, yeah, I even added more to try and just like try to get it to be friends with each other and blend, but it just wasn't working. At this point, I took Sophie and I'm like, okay, you know what? We're going to film another video. We're going to try and make this work. So I'm like, okay, new plan. So I put that shade in my crease and kind of like put that over. Same thing with that shade that you just saw, because we were like, you know, new plan. Also, I'm sorry, I don't do voiceovers, so it's very weird because like most of the time I have to edit myself because I suck at talking. So this one's just like straight through. So then I took that red shade, Gamenta, and I'm like, okay, let's go in a different direction. Let's cover up that gross brown color that did not work. And the direction we went into was actually a really good direction. I like the way the look turned out in the very end. So, yay! So this shade, Zaya, I think, I used it for my lower lash line, and it really tied the look in, I have to say. I like that color down there. Oh yeah, Fire Witch, I put in the outer corner to kind of like tie in the red to the bottom. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, tie it in. There we go. Yep. Yeah, so I took some eye primer and I kind of did like the cut crease thing. I wish you could see I'm doing air quotes, because I wanted the like shimmery shades to stick to it. a lot better and pop and, you know, not like mix with the other shades. So I took Scorpio and I wet the brush, and honestly, it didn't work that well. I'm pretty sure the first time I reviewed it, I used this shade and I just I used my finger first, and it looked like I had already like wet a brush and did that, and I was really impressed by that. Like, this is a beautiful shade, but when I did the brush thing with the spray, it did not work. I just went back in with my finger, as you just saw, and it looked so much better if you just put it on with your finger. And then I used this other shade that's like a, I think it was a purple. I don't even know. I forgot. But I put it on the outer corner to give some dimension to my eye. So, yeah, it looks kind of like a hot mess, but I go back in with that shade and kind of like make it look better. See what I'm doing? I'm making it look better. We're working with what we got. But yeah, Scorpio, beautiful shade, love it. So then I go back in with Fire Witch and I kind of like blend a little bit so it's not so like, this is the MAC shade, this is the shimmer shade. So I kind of wanted to blend it in back there. But, you know, I guess apparently I wasn't feeling it. Now that I'm editing this, or looking back, I kind of like it. So I don't know what I was feeling then. So I took one of the highlighter shades and I highlighted my brow bone and my inner corner with this. I really liked it. I don't have anything to say, that's just me doing my eyes. So now I'm going in with the Tarte mascara and doing a little wing on the inner corner, which is like my favorite thing. I like it. I look like a Bratz doll, like, am I right? And it just makes my like small little eyes look so much better that I found out. And then I'm using the Real Her liner on my lower lash line. This is like a true black, and it just takes like a swipe and you're good to go, unlike other liners. So that's a good one if you got it in, I think it was IPSY. Now I'm using my D-Star lashes, and I'm struggling a little bit because even though I've been doing lashes all this year, trying to master them, lashes are still hard. But yeah, that's the lash. Yeah, you like the lash? And now I guess I did mascara and I edited it out, but oh, that's right, because when I edited it, you couldn't see me pretty much at all doing my mascara because I was too low. My bad. So now I'm just putting the lashes together so they blend in. Apparently I was disappointed, but I like the look. Look at it, guys. It looks good. The lashes look like butt, but I don't know how to make it not look like I'm wearing lashes, but that's my look. So let me know down below if you liked the look I created. And I do have to say that maybe the palette I got was kind of like terrible, but this one wasn't so bad. So other than the shade not Fire Witch, what was it? That other shade, I'll put it down below. It was actually pretty good, and apparently I'm still talking when the video is over, so let me know down below, and I'll even have my description final thoughts. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry it's long awaited. I feel very uncomfortable doing voiceovers. Bye!